Good morning, everybody. Today is actually a really exciting day. I was accepted into Import Alliance this morning in Nashville at the Nashville Motor Speedway, where we always have cars and coffee. So I gotta hurry up because today's my birthday, by the way.
I wish everyone remembered special days like that, but alas, that's not what this world is.
We need to get the car detailed, get the new emblem on. That's gonna be really exciting. We got those done by Aaron this morning, so we're gonna drive out and get those, get them on the car, get the car detailed. Let's get that started. All right, let's get to washing.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
All right, guys, so we got the emblems, and I want to show you guys what they look like. So this is the 3D printed carbon fiber BMW emblem. And then what we're going to do is we're going to overlay that with these matte carbon fiber discs. So what it'll look like once it's all done is something like this. So the matte carbon fiber will be underneath the 3D printed carbon fiber logo. Since it's really hot out, I don't think I'll have to heat up these emblems, and hopefully not, because they're metal and it's gonna suck to get off. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some fishing line and try to pull off the original emblems. I'm pretty sure I used 3M tape last time, but this time I think I'm gonna try to use, to make these more permanent, I'm gonna try to use the JB Weld, the clear JB Weld, and get them on the car and see if that works. So let's check it out. All right, so I've got the fishing line. We're gonna try to get this one taken off so that way we can put the new emblem on. Also, this morning I have been racing to get the car done, thinking that Import Alliance was tonight, and in fact, it's tomorrow.
Idiot.
So I will take some time getting the car ready and then new emblems on. And then tomorrow, maybe I'll do a whole nother separate vlog for that. We'll get ready, bring the kids, and all of us go to Import Alliance.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now,
alright, so guys, I'm gonna call the vlog there. We've got a lot done today. We were able to get the emblems. We were able to get the car clean. Thought the car show was today, but it's definitely not. It's tomorrow. So we'll do a whole nother vlog for tomorrow. Hopefully get both up this weekend, but definitely got my priorities straight. Got the car in the garage so we don't get any more dirt on it. Look at it, it's already dusty. Got the golf cart pushed over and wife's car outside because, you know, race car. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys would like, subscribe, it'd really help me out. Trying to push the channel as hard as possible, of course. Get ready for when the shifter gets released. And obviously we're gonna have these emblems up very soon. If you're interested, let me know. They could be just sold out by the time I even get them on the site. So we'll have to see. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
yes, I'm immortal.